Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IAS Academy. So दोस्तों जैसा कि हम सभी को पता है that Prime Minister Modi has visited Warsaw, the capital of Poland, and this is considered as the visit that first Indian Prime Minister who has been visited Poland after 45 years. Yes, तो काफी बड़ी न्यूज है ये इंडिया की फॉरेन पॉलिसी के लिए भी दैट इन 45 years that first visit by Indian Prime Minister, as you can see here, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived in Poland and it is the first visit by Indian Prime Minister in 45 years. Now Poland is culturally connected with India, so we will understand what are the cultural connections between India and Poland. So, who was the last Prime Minister who visited Poland? So, Morarji Desai was the last Prime Minister who visited Poland in 1979. As you can see here, these headlines are there in the news. So, these things are there in the news, and these things are important, as you can include these things in GS paper 2, that is India's foreign policy, historical relations between India and Poland. Clear? Now, here, the most important thing that we can see that the connection between India and Poland, that is India and Warsaw, are cultural connections. So there are various aspects that we need to understand. अब कहा जाता है that Prime Minister Modi has also visited a memorial in Warsaw, which was created in 1940s during Second World War, जहां पर 6,000 से ज़्यादा Polish women and children they found refuge. Now, try to understand the cultural connection between India and Poland. So, these things we will be discussing separately. And Poland ने India का help भी किया था in 2022 when Indian government started running Operation Ganga when the war was started between Ukraine and Russia. That is why Indian students have been brought via Poland. तो ऑपरेशन गंगा में काफी ज्यादा more than 4,000 Indian students were evacuated via Poland in 2022. Now, another important thing that we can understand with respect to Poland and India, and that is with respect to the connections, the partnerships between India and Poland. So, बहुत सारी Indian companies हैं, बहुत सारे Indian businesses हैं Poland में, and कहा जाता है these businesses are in different sectors like IT to pharmaceuticals, manufacturing, vehicles to electronics. All these things are there. Getting my point? Now, the most important thing that we need to understand, what is the connection between Warsaw and Kolhapur? Yes. So, what is the connection between Warsaw, which is the capital of Poland, and Kolhapur? Getting my point? Now, how India is connected with Poland culturally? So, we need to understand these aspects because these things are important for your examination. So, what is the connection between Warsaw and Poland? Second important thing, why do Polish people still remember the Maharaja of Navnagar? आज भी पोलैंड के लोग इंडियन रूलर, इंडियन महाराजा नावनगर को क्यों याद किया जाता है? क्लियर? तो अब इसके लिए हमें समझनी पड़ेगी थोड़ी सी वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री. Now, as you can see the location of Poland. Now, during the time period of Second World War, when Poland was fell into the hands of Nazi Germany, तो Second World War में जब पोलैंड को कैप्चर कर लिया था जर्मनी ने, उस टाइम पीरियड में याद रखिएगा बहुत सारे Polish women and children they have taken refuge, clear, in India, and it was Maharaja of Navnagar who welcomed these Polish refugees at that time. So the Maharaja of Navnagar, whose name is Jain Sahib Ji, Digvijay Singh Ji, Ranjit Singh Ji, he was the Maharaja and इन्होंने काफी important role play किया है. Let me show you Maharaja of Navnagar. As you can see here, Jain Sahib Ji, Maharaja of Navnagar. जेम्स साहब, दिग्विजय सिंह जी, रंजीत सिंह जी. was a Maharaja of Navnagar who welcomed and offered home to the refugees. Yes. So, this is the scenario why, this is the aspect why the people of Poland are still connected with the people of India. Now, the most important thing as we can understand here, Kolhapur, जो कि बहुत important reason है between Poland and India's cultural relation. So Kolhapur was one of the places where these refugees they found shelter, and the Maharaja of Kolhapur, Sahu III. Now remember this thing, Maharaja of Kolhapur, Sahu III. So Sahu III extended his hospitality and provide all the refugees with necessary support. That is why after Second World War, when India got its independence, so both the countries, India and Poland, they shared common ideological perceptions based on their opposition to colonialism, based on their opposition to imperialism, based on their opposition to racism. Getting my point? So these are the things. Because of common ideological opposition to colonialism, imperialism, and racism. So that is why both the countries have established their official diplomatic ties in 1954. So India's and Poland relations were officially started in 1954. That era belongs to Cold War. Now, तो अब एक चीज याद रखिएगा, that is why in 2022 when the Russia-Ukraine war was started, at that time Poland played important role in assisting Indian students during the crisis. So that is why during Ukraine crisis, Poland helped over 4,000 Indian students through Operation Ganga program. Getting my point? This is the importance of Poland that we need to understand. Getting my point? So that is why Prime Minister Modi has remembered the cultural importance between India and Poland. Now, if you see number of Indians, so number of Indians, in Poland around 38,000, which is approximately 0.25% of Poland population. This is approximately 0.25% of Poland population. So around 38,000 Indian population is there in Poland. अब इसी के साथ ही साथ दोनों कंट्रीज के बीच में कल्चरल रिलेशन कैसे हैं? Now if you see the streets of Poland are named after various Indian leaders like Mahatma Gandhi Street, Nehru. So various streets are there in the name of Indian freedom fighters and Indian leaders: Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, Indira Gandhi, etc. So various streets of Poland are named after Indian leaders, and there are more than around 30 dance classes. अब कहा जाता है कि पोलैंड में there are more than 30 dance classes which teach classical dances of India. Getting my point? These 30 more than 30 dance classes, they are teaching Indian classical dance and contemporary Poland dance. So this is the cultural importance in the relations of India and Poland. इसी के साथ ही साथ कहा जाता है there are more than 1,000 yoga schools and around 8,000 yoga teachers are there in Poland. So from these things we can understand the cultural importance between India and Poland. And the most important tie between India and Poland is Maharaja of Navnagar and Kolhapur. So I hope this much is clear to all of you with respect to India's cultural connection with Poland and how Warsaw is connected with Kolhapur. That is also clear because of Maharaja Sahu III. Getting my point? Who gave refuge to the Polish women and children during Second World War, and also provided them with necessary support. So I hope this much is clear to all of you. Thank you so much.